Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video. Thank you so much for joining me. My name is Chrissy and I'm back with another unboxing from Boxycharm. Today we're going to be opening up the base box for February and I'm really excited. Got this a couple of weeks ago, but as you can see, I'm still pretty sick and congested and I lost my voice completely over the last few days and I haven't been able to record a video because I couldn't talk. So, this is what, the fourth video of me being sick and it's getting really annoying. Oh my god. But anyways, so Boxycharm sent me over this base box. They were kind enough to gift it to me in exchange for my honest opinion, which I always try to give to you guys. You know, they always send me 5 full-sized items, which we will go through together and I will go through the retail value of things. But you guys can go over to the Boxycharm website, check out their subscriptions. Their monthly plan is really very affordable and you get some really cool items. So before you continue to watch this, if you could subscribe to my channel, please give me a thumbs up if you like this video and drop me a comment below. Let's get into some conversation and keep watching if you want to see what I got in this month's box. Alright, so we're just going to go ahead and open it up here. Like I do with all my Boxycharm videos, my face is product free except for my normal skincare routine and some moisturizer. That's basically it because I have absolutely no idea what's in this box. I like to go through things one by one and really give you guys a genuine reaction to things. They do not pay me for my reactions. This is all genuinely authentic. So here we go. So this is the base box. Like I said, 5 full-size items. And this is perfect for Valentine's Day. I know this is a little after Valentine's Day, but this is what they sent me. Be my Glamentine. So 5 full-size items. You always get something like this. It tells you the prices here and description of what the items are in each box. So the first product we're going to grab on the top, it says Saturday Skin. Where is that? Saturday Skin. Here we go. Okay, so the first one is this. It's called Saturday Skin. Never heard of them before. A lot of products from Boxycharm I never heard of before. You'll hear me say that repeatedly, which is kind of cool because, you know, try out different companies and see what works for you. So this is an eye brightening cream, an exclusive peptide formula that promotes the look of skin's natural glow and renewal. This says... Okay, I'll hold it up for you guys. Okay. A buttery eye cream with an infusion of yuzu fruit, a rich vitamin C citrus, combined with targeted ingredients such as the active vital complex and niacinamide. Oh my god, I have no idea how to say that. This cream will improve moisture retention, hydrate, and blur the appearance of fine lines. This retails for $32. Let's open the package. I do have a lot of eye creams. I do not have an eye cream on at the moment. Oh, do I? I do have an eye cream on at the moment. It was actually something that I got from my Boxycharm a couple of months ago. I think it was Algenist. Don't quote me on that, I think. Oh, this is cute. A little holographic citrus there, orange, whatever. And it's got the little lid. Just pop it off. My sense of smell is gone too. No, I don't have COVID, I promise. I can't smell it, but it looks really creamy. Let's apply some under the eye. I already have some on, but why not? It's nice and cold up here, so this will really help because my eyes get really puffy, especially when I'm sick. Oh, it does feel really velvety though. Oh, that feels really nice. I mean, there's nothing special that is seen in the formation under eye. Yeah, like, so just like here. And just be very gentle when you apply under your eye. I put a little too much, but that's okay. And it does feel very, very silky. I like that. Okay, so I will add this to my collection of eye serums. Excuse me, you guys. Sorry for all the sounds that you're going to hear coming out of my face hole. All right, next one. Okay, oh, we have a mascara. So this is, okay, this is Stila. Okay. Huge Extreme Lash Mascara. Stylish volumizing long-wearing mascara drenches every lash in intense triple black pigments and builds unstoppable color for the boldest blackish lashes ever. With just one coat, you instantly get major volume, length, lift, and intense black color. Even with multiple coats, this flexible formula leaves lashes soft with no clumps, with no clumps, flakes, or fallout. This retails for $23, and you know we have to try it right now because no flakes, no clumping, no fallout. I mean, and multiple use, and multiple layers. This is a cool package. I like it. Looks like there's probably a lot of product in here. Let's see what the wand looks like. Wow, that's a big wand. All right, let's check it out. Whoa, it really grips the lashes. Whoa. Okay. I'm being a little messy too, because we ain't going anywhere today, so no need to be looking all perfect. Wow, that really did lift my lashes though. Okay. Okay, that's one eye. I'm only going to do one eye. Not bad. Okay. And like I said, that retails for $23. Okay, the next item is a primer by Yensa. I've never heard of this. Also, another new company for me to try out. So here it is. It's a primer. This primer is the perfect first step to achieving a superfood glow, infused with 8 superpowered skin-loving ingredients to help minimize the appearance of pores, fine lines, and wrinkles. The lightweight satin sheen formula creates an invisible skin-perfect finish. This retails for $35. It says, smooth a thin layer of tone-up primer over clean, moisturized skin. Blend BC foundation. Okay, well, we don't have the foundation, so... Wow, this packaging is really pretty. I like that a lot. This actually reminds me of kind of like the NYX primer. Oh, and it's got a little seal. Let's see what it looks like. Oh, it looks tinted. All right. Does it say tinted? Tone Up Primer Essential Glow. 8. I actually do see a difference in my pores. They did definitely minimal... They did shrink them, well, make them look shrunk anyway. Okay, that's not bad. I kind of like this. Okay, the next thing I have is called the Alley-Oop Multitasker 4-in-1 Makeup Brush. And it comes in a really large package like this. This is giving me like medical, like clinic vibes. I don't know why. It's just a very basic, clean package. I mean, I don't know. It kind of reminds me of a pregnancy kit test. But let's see what it looks like. Twist to open. Oh my gosh. I cannot get this open. Here we go. That was difficult to open. Oh, this is a big ass brush. Okay. So it comes with 2 edges here. This looks like it would be like a blending sponge. And this is like a contour / blusher. Super cool. Okay, so let's check this bad boy out. This says... An award-winning multitasker brush combined with the foremost essential makeup applicators, including a sponge, blush, brow, and eyebrow brush. This compact game changer is all you need for a full face on the go or at home. Each is made of premium synthetic fibers. This retails for $28. All right, it says to twist it. Oh, how cool! This is pretty dope. All right. This is like a blending side eyeshadow brush. And then this is, oh, how cool, an eyebrow brush. I love that. This is a really, really cool product. I like this a lot. Very cool. Looks a little dirty, you know what I'm saying? But we like that. All right, and the final product that we have with this box is Precision Liquid Liner. All right, another liquid liner. Let's see what this says. Estate Cosmetics Precision Felt Tip Liquid Liner. This ultra fine felt tip liquid liner delivers any look from a quick flick to a bold wing. Lasting all day, it won't skip, tug, feather, smudge, or run. This only retails for $12. All right, let's see how she goes. Let's give it a quick go. And let's see if what they say is true. I like the packaging. It's very cool. Oops, it's upside down though. Estate, just very basic, very simple. Let's check out the felt tip. Very nice. Excuse my dry hands, you guys. It is ridiculous out here in this winter time. We're just going to do it on the hands for today. Let's see. All right, so let's give it a quick little... Okay. And let's see. Can we make it thicker? Let's see. Oh, yeah. Nice. Wow. Look at that. Let's see if it's smudge proof. It's been sitting for a couple seconds. I'm rubbing really hard, you guys. Holy cow. Nothing. It's almost like a Sharpie marker. Wow, okay. Very cool. So clearly we're not doing a full face today. I keep sneezing and coughing and my nose keeps running and I'm all kinds of a hot mess, so I'm not going to be putting makeup on my face today, but I did want to try out all these products for you today. This is the entire box value right here of all the items put together for you, and it's really a steal, you guys. Like, I have to say, this was a really cool box. I know I always say I get a lot of skincare, but honestly this was the only skincare I got, and I love a good eye cream, so that's a win there. That's pretty much it for today, you guys. A rather simple unboxing. Be on the lookout for more unboxings and other content from me. I hope you guys like this video. Make sure, don't forget, give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you're not subscribed. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.